a bright summer's day, the sun is out and we've got a beautiful orange Land Rover Discovery here today for a customization. We're going to be fitting the Barugzai body kit on here. As you've seen before on our previous vlogs, we customized a black one that we sent over to our Barugzai signature vehicle showroom for sale, and as soon as it got there, it sold. This is a very difficult colour to paint. Now let me explain to you one thing. If you ever want to find a colour code on a Land Rover, this is what you need to do. If you look down at the bottom on the B post pillar, you can see you'll have 3 black stickers. This will be on most Land Rover models. So if you look at these 3 stickers over here, one of them tells you all the tyre pressure, etc., how much weight you have in the car, how many people you have in the car, and what the recommended tyre pressure should be. And then on this one over here, so if you look, this is the sticker where you need to look at for the colour code. So this is the chassis number, etc. The colour code is over here, LRC EAV, and the name of the colour is Namib Orange. Namib Orange. If you're Arab, you'd probably be able to pronounce that better. Namib Orange. The colour obviously looks very desert safari, so maybe they've named it after some Arab guy, I'm not sure. But anyway, the colour of this car is Namib Orange. It's a very difficult colour to match. So what we've done, before we get a very exclusive colour, well, probably most of the colours that we get, we do a spray out card before we paint the body kit. And it's quite wise to do that. You don't want to be painting a body kit blind. Sometimes you have to do that, depends on the circumstances. But if you can, get the colour match and try to paint a colour card, and then you can match it to the car. Now we've done this, so we've just typed in the standard shade. Now let's see how close it is or how far off it is. I personally think it's off colour. Now you can see it looks very grey compared to the car. The car's very orange. Now this is the original colour that our computer gave us, that it recommends that this is the colour of the car. Now this colour you cannot blend. I wouldn't recommend to blend this colour. Now if it was somewhere near like in the 90% mark, I'd probably tell my painters to blend the wings in to get it right, but this is not even blendable. So what we're going to do, we're going to take this car into the workshop, obviously get it stripped down to fit the body kit, but before we paint the body kit, we need to get this colour right. So how are we going to do that? Well, let's take it into the workshop and show you. We've got the Discovery in the workshop. Now this is a totally different shade of orange. Derek, you want to check this? What do you think? Let's see what Derek thinks of this shade.
This shade is totally different.
Totally different?
Yeah.
Yep. So these things. Now how do we rectify this? What do we do?
Well, the Genius is the best for this.
The Genius?
Yeah.
So we've got to get the Genius out. Now what's Genius? Is that the genie in the lamp? Yeah, so let me rub the genie. Ooh. Now this is the genie. Now what's the genie? Well, basically it's a paint scanner. So what we did initially, before the car came in, we got the colour code of the customer, and the colour code that he gave us, we painted the standard shade as the paint system recommends. And this is the standard shade. Like I said, it's off and it's not blendable as well. So let's just scrap that, right? Now what do we need to do? So now that the car's in, we're going to scan the car's original paint and we're going to find out what shade it is. So what you do, basically you polish up the area that you want to scan. So for example, the bonnet most likely hasn't been painted, and so the bonnet hasn't been painted, so we're going to scan the bonnet. So what you do, you clean the bonnet up, polish it all up, then you put this paint scanning machine on, and then you press this button and then you scan the paint. So while we're doing this, Luke's just mixed up some paint for another car that we're painting. Ooh, that sounds a bit noisy in the workshop, isn't it? So for example, so this is a car that we're mixing now. We're painting this Range Rover over here. Did you get the light, Luke, and check it? So
that's some professional panel beating right there.
Good panel beating there, that's it. Don't look that bad. I think what we need to do, we need to do this on a spray out card. So this is the sample that Luke has mixed up. So you can do a spray out card now, Luke. While you're doing that, I think you should do one for the Discovery as well, and show all the viewers how it's done. Okay, sir? So we can match both colours, and we'll let the viewers decide which is the correct colour. And if it's wrong, it's their fault, not your fault, or not my fault.
Panel of the car, ready for buffing it up for colour, to scan the colour. Make sure it's not getting too hot. Turn speed up again. Go over it. Very lightly, take the last traction. We're gonna get the spectral. Need to scan 3 areas. Make sure it's flat on the surface. Right, open the door. You check the colour code, which is down here on a Range Rover. EAV. Then go over to the computer. So we've scanned the colour in. We've now got it on the scheme. This is like a weighing scale. Tells you all the different colours that go into each colour. Then goes to scale. You press OK on that. And that'll go to the first colour, which is 607. So we go back here, find 607 on the scheme. So then when we start putting paint in, the weight changes. And we do that for every single colour on this list, all the thinners, and then we mix the paint up and it's ready.
Luke scanned the car, he put all the data into the computer and mixed the paint. And now this is a spray art car, so we're going to match it to the car. Let's see how close it is. That does look better actually. So let's compare it to what we actually mixed before, the standard shade the computer said. So you can see now you guys want to choose which one do you think it is. So 1, 2 or 3? Well, it's definitely number 3. The Luke shade. Right, Luke, do you want to strip the car down?
Yeah.
Prep the panels and maybe direct paint the car?
Yeah.
Come on, baby.
Brother, we got a salute, man.
My money in it. That's the reason I'm here.
What's with the hair, bro? What's with the long hair, man?
It's mad, bro.
Freaking hell. What's going on, bro?
What are you saying?
What you saying, man? Looking slicked up, bro.
I just come from the gym down there, bro. Some guys are, no, Iffy, Nav, Moise,
What are you doing?
saying? Film me.
You okay, my bro? Good to see you.
What's going on?
Constantly filming here, bro. You know that, man.
Always. Big
Oh,
man.
yeah?
I just come to smell the money, innit?
Well, it's not any money down in Bradford, mate. It's all in Essex.
Nah, bro.
That's where it all is, man.
Bro.
All the money's in Essex.
Nah, bro.
How's it going? You're looking wild.
Right,
What's going on?
I'm from Newcastle, bro. I'm here, innit?
Listen, do you visit us in, do you go to the showroom?
Nah, bro. Where was the showroom?
It's in City Centre.
No idea, bro. Listen.
You ain't got time for that, have you? You turn the camera off and you let us know what you did in Newcastle.
I was going to say, the past 3 hours are a little bit hazy, bro, so you might have to just, you know what I'm saying? But what's going on though?
Well, it's nice you stopped by, bro. You're looking all slicked up, man, all beefed up and that, you know what I mean? You're still like giving me the recipe to blow up, do you know what I'm saying?
But the pockets are not hench like Nav.
Bro, women don't look at the pockets nowadays, they look at the biceps.
This is the problem, innit?
Trust me.
And Nav looks tired, man. What's going on?
Bro, I'm actually tired, to be honest with you. I've been just grafting, busy, working.
Yeah.
I wish I had a luxury life like you, gymming it all the time. Do you know what I mean? Just relaxed life, easy life, good life.
I'm happy to swap. It's no problem.
Nah, bro. Listen, you don't swap. I think that would be a good thing.
Easy.
A day in the life of Shizzio.
Channel 4 show.
Just sit down, watch telly all day with the dumbbell in me and going like.
PS5 as well, yo.
What do you think of the new Defenders?
Oh, let's have a look, bro. Are those lights unit, yeah?
Yeah, they're all new
That's
lights.
standard, is it?
No, bonnet, grille, front bumper, arches, side vents, back bumper, quad exhaust, roof spoiler. We just finished making the roof spoiler.
It's hard. It's different, you get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
We're like there's Range Rovers everywhere. What about the side box though? Come on, baby.
Yeah, carbon.
We love that. Man's got a box on the side, bro.
The storage box, man. You could stash all your cash in there.
That's what I'm saying, bro. No, it's sick. Nav always ahead, bro. But once again, the sponsorship. Oh my, come on, baby. And man can't even lend me that. You know what I'm saying? Just go around and rep round the manor, bro. Come on, bro. No, that is sick, bro.
Yeah.
Look at that colour as well, bro.
The original Cabaro. Yeah, it's all. No, we're not rapping North, man. We're not rapping, we're painters. We're the real deal, bro. Only down south they rap cars.
That's true, that's
easy, man. My little 7-year-old boy can rap cars.
Yeah. Wow, that's mad, bro.
Yeah, that's how we do it here.
That is amazing, bro.
Yeah, fully repainted.
Bad, bro. Bad, man. Inside as well.
All of it, yeah.
Is it open? Oh, you dumb, bro. Oh shit, look at this. What happened?
Don't open the door then.
No, look, watch. Come on. What does man know about the diamond perforated leather though, bro?
There you go, man. He knows the word for it as well, doesn't he?
With the cat eyes, bro.
Cat eyes.
Man don't know.
The lion
I
face.
still know the lingo, bro. bro.
So anyway, Shizzio, what's new, man? What's good? What's up and coming? What's new,
I don't
man?
even know. I'm just here, bro. I'm just here. Just
what-
through life. You get what I'm saying? I don't even know what I'm doing, bro. Straight up. I'm just a bit. You know what I mean?
What music? Anything new?
It's the Ilford IG local geezer. Summertime vibe come down to feature. Drink of the smoke come down for either.
There's a film called Rhea coming out.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Hollywood, yeah?
I've done about what, 5, 6 films now.
Yeah, I've seen a few, bro. You need to be hitting Hollywood now, man. Come on.
I'm going Bollywood with this, baby. Come on, bro. You see where this comes, bro. So I don't know, bro. I've just got projects and stuff. I'm not really fussed at the moment, if I'm honest. I don't know why.
It's going with the flow.
Yeah, man. It's all good, bro. You know what I mean?
Enjoying life then, yeah? Enjoying life in the fast lane.
I'm surrounded by 3 millionaires, bro. 1, 2, 3. You know what I'm saying? So
1, 2, 3.
So it's
I'm working, I'm getting there.
really,
Every time I get there, I just drop back down again.
it's their fault, innit? Because these guys have killed my hunger. You feel what I'm saying? Man was hungry back in the day. Soon coming in, the podcast says with the 3 millionaire, the 3 horsemen, I'm going to call it. You get me? I'm going to start this thing. That's what I'm saying.
You need to come and host a few vlogs for us because we do get a lot of viewers saying bring back Shizzio. There's some kind of protest going on freaking YouTube. You got hashtag bring back free Shizzio, bring back Shizzio, get rid of Nav. Do you know what I mean?
Bro, it's so
What's
simple.
going on, bro? You handed over the baton to me.
Bro,
Yeah?
it's so simple, bro. Just hand me the keys to that, and you got me, innit? The payment's cleared, and I'm here, bro. For the foreseeable
Done, man.
future.
We need to do that.
Man don't need me, bro. Nav's flying, bro. I love it, bro. I watch your vlogs every
Bro, I know
Friday.
it's hard work though. People, you got honestly, you gotta.
It's hard.
It's very hard
I
work.
understand, man. Like, man's got a business to run. Like, look at all these cars, everything. You still got time to
Yeah,
smile and that, bro.
it's difficult to be honest with you. You got to balance, and it's a full-time job.
That's what I'm telling you, bro.
Do you know what I mean? It's a full-time job.
Don't stress about them. Bring them out when you need to, bro. Because you're giving yourself Friday. Deadline.
Yeah.
Don't worry, bro. The fans, they love you.
Is that
They'll
okay
wait.
then? Yeah, can I do that? Because sometimes I
But
feel
listen,
pressured.
The fans will wait. They got patience for you, love for you. You know what I'm saying? So,
Yeah, I've got a lot of support and I really appreciate
just
that.
drop it.
We had some good shows, didn't we? I
loved it.
Customised Kings.
Yeah, man.
We had a good series there. Went out on Brit Asia as well.
innit? We did two.
Should we take them back? Should we take them back to the moment?
I'm gonna swipe this way. And
No,
and then
young,
edit
you
it.
who see young Shizzio
Oh my God.
at his peak, at his element. Mr. President, here he is.
And young Nav.
Welcome to Customised Kings. I go by the name of Shizzio and we're in the heart of Bradford, where Nav and his team at Enkahnz are going to take supercars and take it to that next level. Coming up on this show,
I've just customised my own personal car. Yeah, I've customised it to my individual taste. You know what, you're actually looking better now though. How does that work? See, hey,
Fine wine. You get what I'm saying?
is that what it is?
Yes.
Is it somewhere in the
White
air?
hair's gonna come. The George Clooney.
Clooney.
And I'm there. I've made it.
We need to do something in Essex, don't we?
Bro, I'm tired.
have to come make some noise.
I'm just tired of telling you, bro. I know you're just talking because you won't come, but Yeah, plan.
I am. Believe it. Listen, trust me, it's gonna be a shock. I'm gonna come to London. I've said it before, and I was gonna come before, but I did a U-turn, then I just went up north.
10 years.
That was supposed to be down south, actually.
Yeah.
What happened in Newcastle?
Oh, swear.
It was.
Where? London?
Yeah, it was supposed to be in London.
You was gonna do that, man?
Yeah, I'm telling you, I was. But something happened. It was just destiny.
If it's not meant to be.
It wasn't meant to be, and you know, and.
Yeah. But that's what happens when
God has better plans, and you know, I accepted it, and you know, it's worked out well for me.
That's what happens when you don't tell me you just want to come to London, like you've got the pass.
Bro, when I come to London, you'll be getting the keys.
You know what I'm saying?
You'll be running Barugzai in London.
Shit. But listen, don't.
Looking like that, do you know what I mean? With your Range Rover, company car.
Company car, now we're talking my language. Yeah, bro.
That's how we're going to do it.
Bro, yeah, okay.
You will be the top salesman.
Oh, bro, come on, baby. You sell itself, bro. It sells itself. Come on, look at that, bro. Who's not buying that, bro?
Yeah,
that's different, completely different.
Right, Junaid, we nearly done?
Yeah.
Okay, Junaid, just detailing the Discovery. It's all complete. We painted it, got the perfect colour match. The bumper matches the wing exactly the same. Perfect colour match, should I say. This can go awfully wrong, so make sure, guys, when you're painting certain colours that you do a spray out sample before you actually paint the product and then fit it afterwards and realise it's a different shade, and that could really make the job a lot bigger the second time you paint it. This is the Discovery 5 Barugzai body kit, which is available to supply and supply and fit. Very subtle body kit, looks nice and aggressive. You can call this the SVR version of the Discovery 5.